Welcome to Naples, Italy, one of Europe's oldest and most fascinating cities. It's a place where history, culture, incredible food, and everyday life all come together. From centuries-old castles and elegant shopping streets to authentic pizza and neighborhoods full of character, Naples offers something around every corner. Join us as we explore the city on foot, discover famous landmarks, wander through local streets, and of course, enjoy some of the best pizza in the world. Let's get started. Our adventure begins at Piazza Giuseppe Garibaldi, in front of Napoli Centrale railway station. Nearly every visitor arriving by train passes through here. While it may seem like just a busy square at first, it's actually a great introduction to the city's energy. From here, you can easily walk toward the historic center or catch public transportation to almost anywhere in Naples. Next, we head down Corso Umberto I, one of Naples' grand boulevards. Built in the late 1800s, this wide avenue connects a train station with the historic heart of the city. Along the way, you'll find historic buildings, local shops, cafes, and a steady stream of everyday Neapolitan life. Founded in 1224, the University of Naples, Federico II is one of the oldest public universities in the world. Established by Emperor Frederick II, it has educated countless scholars, scientists, and leaders over the past 8 centuries and remains an important part of the city today. As we continue exploring, we wander through Via Giannantonio Summonte. Streets like this give you a glimpse into everyday Naples, away from the major tourist attractions. It's these quieter neighborhoods that often reveal the city's authentic charm. Piazza Giovanni Bovio is a large square surrounded by elegant architecture and busy traffic. It's another important gathering place connecting several parts of the city. Walking along Via San Pasquale, you'll notice a different atmosphere from the historic center. This neighborhood blends residential buildings with stylish boutiques, cafes, and local businesses, giving visitors another perspective on Naples. Via dei Mille is one of Naples' most upscale shopping streets. Luxury brands, designer boutiques, and beautiful architecture line the avenue, making it a favorite destination for both locals and visitors looking to shop or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll. Largo Ferrandina is one of those peaceful little squares where life slows down. Surrounded by historic buildings, it's a wonderful place to pause for a few moments before continuing through the city. Naples is famous for its narrow alleyways, and Vico Vetriera Vecchia captures that character perfectly. Laundry hangs overhead, scooters zip through the streets, and every corner feels like stepping into a postcard. Via Chiaia combines shopping, dining, and beautiful architecture into one lively pedestrian-friendly street. Whether you're window shopping or grabbing a coffee, it's one of the city's most enjoyable places to explore. The magnificent Galleria Umberto I is one of Naples' architectural masterpieces. Completed in the late 1800s, its enormous glass dome, elegant ironwork, and marble floors make it one of the city's most beautiful indoor spaces. It's a must-see whether you're shopping or simply admiring the incredible design. Standing proudly near the waterfront is Castel Nuovo, also known as Maschio Agnoino. Built in the 13th century, this medieval fortress has witnessed centuries of Neapolitan history. Its massive towers and impressive entrance make it one of Naples' most recognizable landmarks. As we continue walking, Via Sant'Anna dei Lombardi offers another glimpse into Naples' rich history with elegant churches, historic buildings, and charming streets that have changed little over the centuries. The Convito Nazionale Vittorio Emanuele is one of Italy's historic educational institutions. Its impressive architecture reflects the city's long tradition of learning and public education. Monumento di Vittorio Emanuele II. This monument honors King Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of a unified Italy. It's an important reminder of Italy's unification and modern history. Via Bisignano is another elegant street located in the Chiaia district, known for upscale residences, boutique shops, and beautiful architecture. Piazza dei Martiri is one of Naples' most elegant squares. The central monument honors those who fought for Italian freedom during the 19th century. Today the square is surrounded by luxury shops, restaurants, and historic buildings. One of the highlights of our visit was learning how to make authentic Margherita pizza. Watching experienced pizzaiolos stretch the dough, add San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, basil, and olive oil gives a whole new experience for this world-famous dish. And now for the best part, enjoying the pizza we made ourselves. Fresh from the wood-fired oven, the crust was light, airy, and perfectly charred. Sometimes the simplest ingredients create the most unforgettable meal. Via Speranzella is another lively street full of local restaurants, apartments, and neighborhood businesses that showcase everyday Naples beyond the tourist attractions. Tiny streets like Vico da Flito remind us that Naples is best explored on foot. Around every corner, you'll discover colorful buildings, hidden courtyards, and countless photo opportunities. Located beside the Royal Palace and San Carlo Theater, Piazza Trieste Trento is one of Naples' most important public squares and a favorite meeting place for both locals and visitors. Palazzo Reale di Napoli, or Royal Palace of Naples, built in the early 1600s, the palace served as the official residence of Spanish, Austrian, and later Bourbon rulers who governed the Kingdom of Naples. For more than 300 years, it was a center of political power in southern Italy. Often considered Naples' most famous shopping street, Via Toledo stretches for nearly a mile and offers everything from major retailers to historic cafes. It's one of the busiest streets in the city and always full of energy. Instead of taking the funicular, we decided to experience Naples the old-fashioned way by climbing the Scala Montesanto, also known as Montesanto Stairs. These historic stone steps have connected the lower neighborhoods with the hilltop Vomero district for centuries. The climb is definitely a workout, with several hundred steps winding through quiet residential streets, colorful buildings, and hidden corners of the city that many tourists never see. Via Filippo Palizzi climbs into one of Naples' hillside neighborhoods, rewarding visitors with quieter streets and beautiful views overlooking the city below. The staircase eventually leads toward the Certosa and Museum of San Martino and the impressive Castel Sant'Elmo, two of Naples' most iconic landmarks. To finish our day, we enjoyed dinner at L'Ostricaio restaurant, known for fresh seafood and classic southern Italian cuisine. It was the perfect place to relax after a full day of exploring Naples. Naples is a city unlike any other. Its rich history, incredible architecture, world-famous pizza, and authentic neighborhoods create an experience that's both exciting and unforgettable. Today, Naples welcomes roughly 4 to 5 million visitors each year, and tourism continues to grow as more travelers discover everything this amazing city has to offer. The best times to visit are April through June and September through October, when temperatures are comfortable, crowds are smaller, and it's ideal for walking through the city's streets and waterfront. We hope you enjoyed exploring Naples with us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment below with your favorite part of Naples, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at our next destination.